Hey everyone, it's quarantine day 14 or 15, not really sure anymore, and we have hot sauce chicken on the menu. The ingredients are simple and the process is even easier. We have 2 chicken thighs cubed, which we will marinate in a Korean barbecue inspired sauce. We will use 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of onion flakes, and a teaspoon of sugar in the raw, and a half teaspoon of granulated garlic. Stir it up and the vegetable component of the dish is complete. Then add the chicken to the sauce. Let it marinate for at least an hour in the fridge. After marinating, add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil to the mix. To cook, add a splash of vegetable oil to the pan and cook all the way through on medium heat, stirring occasionally. Serve over white rice and sprinkle on some sesame seeds for a quick and easy meal. And now you can be reminded of the good times of KBBQ with a large crowd while sitting at home.
Hey guys, so we want to give you an update because we haven't posted for a while.
So yeah, everybody knows what's going on right now with the whole situation that's the pandemic going global, basically. So that's basically the reason why there's no new full-length videos coming out of us right now, like our 5, 6, 7 minute long videos, because we usually get together on a Saturday to shoot everything together. Unfortunately, that means that we risk, or more like I risk infecting Ming, because I work in a pharmacy and we have to go to work every single day, and there's always sick people around. So we want to make sure that this chain of infection can't occur. So we're aiming to resume work in May or June. Hopefully, optimistically, if this virus starts to stop its spread. So as you might be aware from seeing the news or reading the news, or maybe even have been affected by this personally, there's a lot of food and job insecurity caused by the pandemic right now. And we're going to try to help out by raising some money for Feeding America. Decided to set up a Facebook fundraiser, and you can see that on our Facebook page at facebook.com/it's time to eat again. We're going to try to raise $1,500 for Feeding America, which is a network of food banks. They're going to distribute this money to the food banks that need to buy supplies or food to help feed families. We kicked this off with $900, and we hope that you're going to be able to join us as well, if you're financially able to just help our fellow Americans, help everyone who's in need, to be able to put food on their tables.
So there's a couple future projects that we would love to share with you. So canelays, the pastry version of creme brulee, radish cake, a classic dim sum dish, egg dumplings when your egg doesn't have enough pork in it, and braised pork belly when your pork doesn't have enough fat in it. And let us know what else you want to see. But what we really want to say is thank you for watching, subscribing, and sharing. We really appreciate it.
And we'll see you in the next one when it's time to eat again.